Today, our topic of discussion is drug addiction or abuse. So, it has been observed that use of drugs has been increased, especially among youth, and this is a matter of concern as it could cause many harmful effects. So, proper education and guidance could safeguard themselves against these dangerous practices and lead a healthy lifestyle. Okay, so healthy lifestyle is very much needed, and drugs are destroying the society and as well as the lifestyle of teenager and all. So drug is what? A single active chemical entity present in a medicine. So normally in the earlier time it is used as medicine by doctors, but today it is abused. Okay, so these are nothing but certain chemicals, and once the persons are taking this kind of chemicals repeatedly, then they may be addicted. The body is dependent on such kind of chemicals. So disease oriented definition of drug does not include contraceptive or the drugs or the improvement of health. So according to World Health Organization, drug is any substance or product that is intended to be used to modify or explore physiological system or pathological states for the benefit of the recipient. So these are used by the doctors at first, but later these substances or products are used or intended to be used to modify or explore the physiological system, that means life processes of the person. So drugs are normally used as medicine to help patients cope with mental illness like depression, insomnia, and etc. So particularly drugs are used for those who are for their mental, like mental illness, the persons who are having mental illness, for them these are used. But when the drugs are taken for a purpose other than their normal clinical use, then it impairs one physiological and psychological function. So if which things are impaired, which systems are damaged, is physical damage, then physiological damage, and psychological damage. So these three things are damaged when there is drug abuse. The term abuse in respect to drug means it's non-medical use or non-prescribed use, or like having people are having it for pleasure. Now what are the types of drugs? So types of drugs are the first one is the mood altering drugs, okay, that is called psychotropic, and this is nothing but mood altering drugs, and we say this is particularly opium derivatives. Okay, so opium derivatives are the first this psychotropic drugs or mood altering drugs. So opiate or opioid narcotics, the drugs derived from the opium plant. Okay, so this is derived from opiate narcotics we say, and the plant is Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum. So this is a kind of plant, or we say poppy plant, from where this opium is extracted. In Hindi it is called afim. It's a latex from the unripe fruits of capsule of poppy plant, and it is reddish brown in color, heavy smell, and it is normally eaten and smoked. Okay, they slow down the respiratory activity and decrease glandular secretion. They produce nausea, vomiting, sterility, etc. So opium derivatives are 20 alkaloids are there. Out of that, the important major opiate derivatives are, like one is the morphine. So opiate derivatives are morphine. So what is this chemical formula? It is C12H19NO3. So what is the impact of this morphine actually? This morphine, the strong analgesic. Okay, so it is an analgesic, sedative, painkiller. analgesic and used as sedative and painkiller. Okay, so person lacks initiative and is unable to concentrate. It contributes to the fall in blood pressure also. So morphine causes mild hyperglycemia also. It causes addiction. And another substances there called codeine, then heroin, then smack. So these are also derivatives of this opiate derivatives. Okay, so codeine is also a derivative of opium, you can say, and it's an ingredient of many medicines and cough syrup. So cough syrup can be addicted again. Heroin is 3 times more potent than morphine. Okay, and smack is nothing but the byproduct of heroin synthesis. It is also known as brown sugar. So these are the opiate derivatives, and the plant is Papaver somniferum, where the latex is used. Now this is mood altering drugs. Along with this mood altering drugs, another sedative and hypnotoxic is there. Another sedatives are like, we say, barbiturates. Okay, barbiturates, then tranquilizers, okay, then benzodiazepines, so these are also mood altering drugs. So tranquilizers, you know, the decreased tension, and tranquilizer, you know, injections are put to the animal to keep them senseless, right? So it produces a feeling of calmness. Benzodiazepines are minor tranquilizers. These are for anxiety and phobic condition. It is used like Valium, and that uses sleepiness. Like for a person will sleep, if they will not have the adequate sleep is not there, then this person takes this benzodiazepines for sleep. So they produce a skeletal muscle relaxation without disturbing the voluntary activity. And barbiturates are what? These are the synthetic drugs. Okay, barbiturates. And these are general depressants, like central nervous system is affected, often used as sleeping pills also. So barbiturates, then this one, benzodiazepines and tranquilizer. These are also opium derivatives. So these are also mood altering drugs. Next is psychedelic drugs, that is hallucinogen. So one is psychotropic drugs is over. Now we will come to psychedelic drugs. And these are hallucinogens. So psychedelic drugs, these drugs alter someone's behavior, then thoughts, feelings, perceptions. And these hallucinogens produce a dream-like state in the person's brain. So they cause hallucinations, make users of see sound and their color. They can see sound and hear color. So that's a different kind of attitude they create. And they vision producing drugs as they produce false imagination. So these are the effect of hallucination. So what are the types of these hallucinogenic drugs? LSD, that is lysergic acid diethylamide. Now this LSD is most powerful psychedelic drug. This LSD is obtained from Claviceps purpurea, that's a fungus, and causing the disease ergot of Wright. So this LSD at first used by the doctors for the patients who have undergone surgery, but later this is abused by the person. Next type of drug is cannabinoids. So another psychedelic drugs, that is and the plant is Cannabis sativa. So this is the plant from where the cannabinoids are obtained. This is hallucinogenic chemicals obtained from leaves, resins, inflorescence of hemp plant. This is actually hemp plant, Cannabis sativa, where the inflorescence of hemp plant is used. So hallucinogenic properties or products from this plant are charas, ganja, bhang, marijuana. These are the types of drugs often used in India. So products of hemp plants raise the blood sugar level, increase the frequency of urination, and these are often religiously also attached. In certain occasions we use this type of products. So Datura and belladonna. Datura is a plant and Atropa belladonna are also the plant which release such kind of cannabinoids. So Datura and belladonna, these are certain plants. Even another plant, that is Cannabis sativa. So these all plants produce this type of drugs. Our next type of drug is cocaine, and this is often called coca alkaloids, obtained from leaves of coca plant, that is Erythroxylum coca. Erythroxylum coca that produce this alkaloid, coca alkaloid, and its formula is C17H21NO4. So it is often called as coke or crack. Coke or crack. And cocaine has vasoconstrictor properties, therefore it is a good local anesthetic. It is taken by snorting, powerful central nervous system stimulant. It induces a sense of well-being and pleasure and delays fatigue. It increases heartbeat, blood pressure and body temperature. So crack is a derivative of cocaine. When it is smoked, it produces results within 10 seconds. It can cause heart and mental problems, this crack or coke. And similarly, betel nut is also a mild CNS stimulant. Betel nut is nothing but this palm, Areca catechu. And along with that, some synthetic drugs are also belonging from this coca alkaloids group, that is amphetamines. So that's called synthetic drugs. Amphetamines. There are also high dose of amphetamines produce euphoria, that is excessive energy feeling, excitement, sleeplessness, and that progress mental confusion. So after effects include nausea and vomiting. So in this session we discussed drugs, different types of drugs, and 3 drugs are major, like opiate derivatives, coca alkaloids, cocaine, and cannabinoids. So read NCERT thoroughly, join tomorrow's online class, clear your doubts. Thank you.